Hey everybody, and welcome back to Grandma's Corner. Thank you so much for helping support my cause, and thank you for subscribing to my channel, Grandma's Corner 2020. Well, today we are going to make lickety-split muffin pizzas. Who doesn't like English muffins, and who doesn't like a pizza? Well, you know, you can't always order out, and you're not always going to be able to take your family out to go get a pizza, but you certainly can make your own pizza if you want to have the bread as your basis. So this is what we're going to do. I went ahead and I toasted in my handy dandy toaster oven. I toasted up the muffins first. Now you're going to want to put a sauce on here. You have a variety of choices, one of which you can just open up a can of Hunt's tomato sauce. Now this one, if you notice, this has got some seasoning in it already, so that's a good choice. The other thing that you can do, oh, pardon my reach, is you can get yourself some marinara sauce that you put on spaghetti, and that would work too. Or if you're really creative, you can take tomatoes and mash them up, try to get some of the juice out of them, and then you can season them. I'm gonna go the easy way, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use this can because I've already opened it up. So I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of this sauce on each of these muffins because I wanna make sure that there's enough sauce on there so it's not too dry. All right, so far so good. Now, the next thing that we put on these is cheese. You know, there are so many cheeses out there. You have so many choices. You have shredded cheese. This happens to be Jack and cheddar. You can put on mozzarella. You can put on goat cheese. You can go fancy and get this Dubliner cheese from Ireland. Hey, I went to Ireland last year. It was awesome. I also have this Manchego cheese. I'm almost done with it because I just love this one so much. But for today, I think I'm just gonna stick with the shredded cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to give each one of these muffins here a pretty good douse of shredded cheese. I was making some other ones earlier and I kind of ran out, so I better replenish my bowl so I have enough to work with. There we go. All right, I'm gonna give a good dollop of that cheese, and then I have to decide, all right, what do I wanna put on top of my pizza? Well, most kids just love pepperoni. I'm not a pepperoni fan, but for the sake of the child, I will go ahead and I will make a pepperoni pizza. So there I've got some pepperoni. Now I also have some other choices. I've got chicken. Who doesn't like chicken? Well, don't raise your hand if you don't like chicken because that's what I'm making. And how about if maybe to that chicken I added some bacon? Well, hey, that'll spice that up a little bit. You know who's down here looking for tidbits? Here you go, buddy. Woo! You like that? Oh, he's so happy now. All right, what else can we put on here? Well, I like to try to make it as healthy as possible. And so maybe we can add some olives. You can also add black olives if you like. Black olives are more traditional. I happen to have the green olives in my refrigerator, so I went ahead and said, nah, I'm gonna cut those up. So I've got some green olives going here. And boy, you know, sometimes this becomes a little bit of an artwork too. And then how about, I don't know, maybe some bell peppers for good measure. Oh my gosh, I can hear the kids screaming now, no, don't put pepperoni and bell peppers together. I don't want those. Okay, well, maybe you can try to pulverize them and stick them in a milkshake or something. So much for trying to get something healthy in the kids. All right, these are beautiful onions, red onions that I put up, and look at how pretty those are. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put those in our toaster oven and we're gonna see what comes out next. So hang on to your britches And actually, I think I'm gonna put a little bit more cheese on top to hold all this stuff together. So before you go, there you go. Oh, what a masterpiece. All right, hold on. Well, look what just came out of that toaster oven. Unbelievable. Here's your pepperoni with bell peppers and pepperoni. And you know what I would say? Oh yeah, that's pepperoni and pineapple. Doesn't that look great? Ah, can't fool them though. And look at this one, the bacon and the chicken and the olives. And this one has the marinated onions, red onions with chicken as well. I'm telling you folks, I am gonna eat good tonight. So thanks for joining me, and just figure out what's in your cupboards and what's in your refrigerator and maybe in your freezer. You got a little bit of bread, you've got these English muffins and some sauce and some toppings and cheese. Man, you're good to go. You can make yourself a meal and be happy and be proud. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos, and share with the world.